Lucknow Metro has the distinction of the fastest construction in India, completed in a record time and within allocated budget. We at Lucknow Metro have evolved an innovative and sustainable approach for energy, environment and water conservation during project execution and operation. Lucknow Metro implemented it by holistic approach at each stage, starting from tendering, design, project implementation, audit by independent international consultant with continuous review and improvement during operational phase. Various innovative state-of-the-art technologies were envisaged during design stage for energy conservation and subsequently implemented, resulting into substantial energy saving. The train has special feature for energy regeneration during braking, which is fed back to be used in other trains, leading to reduction in net energy requirement. Lucknow Metro has achieved one of the highest energy regeneration of 38% in India by optimizing train characteristic, which saved 92.59 lakh kilowatt-hour electricity and attained a financial saving of rupees 7.87 crores. Lucknow Metro is also the first metro to have 100% lifts with regenerative energy technology. To save energy, escalators have an inbuilt feature enabling them to come to halt within few minutes of non-operation. Lucknow Metro is the first metro in India to have 100% LED lighting at all the metro stations and inside trains. To save energy, all metro stations are designed to ensure maximum ventilation and use of natural daylight through translucent sheets. We at Lucknow Metro have more than 1 megawatt rooftop solar power plant, which has generated 18.92 lakh kilowatt-hour in the period. 2 megawatt rooftop solar power plant on elevated stations will be commissioned. Adopting such energy conservation measures, Lucknow Metro has cumulatively generated 159.82 lakh kilowatt-hour of energy, reducing which saved carbon emission equivalent to 13,105.24 ton of carbon dioxide emission. The stations and long viaducts spread across the city are designed to collect every drop of rainwater. A rainwater harvesting capacity of 2 lakh liters per day of rainfall has been achieved. The train maintenance bay has zero discharge facility with a water treatment and a sewage treatment plant. The treatment plant treats wastewater to reuse it for gardening. The wastewater for train cleaning is recycled in automatic wash plant. All these initiatives result into 35 to 45% water saving. The survival of transplanted trees was the major concern, which Lucknow Metro achieved remarkably with 95% survival rate for the 507 transplanted trees. Several precautions were taken by closely monitoring tree relocation and increased gestation period to complete transplantation in 30 days instead of 15 days. Moreover, 594 trees were saved by tweaking alignment design of stations. To enhance the green cover of the city, public parks and median along the viaduct have been developed. Our efforts of energy conservation and making metro eco-friendly were recognized by Government of India. Lucknow Metro received National Energy Conservation Award 2019 by the BEE, Ministry of Power, Best Urban Mass Transit Projects 2019 by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and International Award conferred by British Safety Council UK. Lucknow Metro is the first metro in India to have the highest platinum rating certificate for all the stations by Indian Green Building Council. All these acclamations echo one name, Lucknow Metro, which manifests the spirit of city's pride.